I did it. I'm finally starting my channel. Let me turn that shit down. So basically, I want to explain my purpose of my channel. My name is Kristen Burgess, but you can call me Kristen Shay, you can call me Kristen, you can call me Crage, you can call me beautiful, you know, just some light, you know. So I'm in my dorm. I do a lot of hair things. Can you see all that shit like in the background right there? All that? That's all my hair products. Every single one I have. There's literally so much shit, like I can't put anything else on that shelf. It's literally insane. So basically, I started getting into my hair because when I was younger, I relaxed my hair like all the time, like 3 times a year, sometimes more than that. And I hated it because like I wanted my hair straight. Like I had to be like all these little white friends that I had and just always trying to be something that I wasn't. And I was like extra raw XD, like I can't even fathom that I was that raw XD. Like it's whatever, not the point. But so basically my junior year of high school, I decided that, you know, I'm gonna be in charge of my own hair. I'm gonna do what I have to do to get it curly, to get it whatever it's supposed to be, and keep it that way. So I started with my hair super short. I didn't do what is that thing when you like not cut it, but that thing, a big chop. You know, when you cut off the relaxed ends. I didn't really have that many relaxed ends because I had already gone like a year and a half without relaxing my hair just because of time, money, like mostly time though. I didn't really care that much, and I always had like a weave, so it wasn't really anything I was tripping about. So then like I'm on year 2 now, and you can see like there's a lot going on here. My hair's not very clean right now, and I really don't know my hair type. I'm not really one to hair type in the first place, but if I was to hair type, I'd probably be like a 4B, not necessarily 4C, because when I get out of the shower, it's very, very curly, but I have yet to figure out like what gel I want to use. I use Eco Styler. I use like Eco Styler. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I just use Eco Styler. And I don't really like it because it flakes my hair, and everybody's got their own opinion about Eco Styler, but basically I just wanted to give a brief introduction of who I am, why I'm doing this. Well, why I'm doing this is because I just feel like I have a lot of information to give, a lot of information that I received that I want to just lay out there for my friends and family and whoever's watching. So thank you for following me on this journey. As well, I'm doing skincare. I'm not doing makeup tutorials. I know you think I'm bopping or whatever, but skincare because I'm really, really into my skin right now. I have super dry skin. So anybody that has the same is super like pale in the face. Like my neck is one color and my face is literally like pale as shit. But I'm wearing like foundation and makeup right now. So I'm gonna do videos like get unready with me, get ready with me, let's do our hair, like we're gonna have a good time. It's gonna be great. Thank you for following me on this journey. Bye.